Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Oklahoma on his RCI 69 Base Plus. Yep, another 69 Base Plus. This time, Jeff, if I get my reflection out of here, opted for the upgraded white angle LEDs. I'll get it out in a minute. Tongue-tied today. Also the tuning alignment and unlocking the clarifier. So we got all that taken care of for him. So we got here, Jeff, 100 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down, so you got plenty of adjustability. 20 all the way up. So your average power swing, hello, 60 bird, 250 watt slug in peak, hello. So this one actually hits about 130. Typically they run 120 to 130 watts, give or take. Just depends on where they turn out the cleanest on the spectrum analyzer, okay? All right, Jeff, we're going to get it out to you, man. I appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.